Motorsports. Here's your 408 small block Mopar. The description is combination. We've got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It has got the Edelbrock air gap. This has also got a quick fuel SS 750. Got the Edelbrock valve covers you wanted on it. Got the March Onyx front end on it. Made sure the alternator charges for you. Go ahead and show you how it ran. 3,300, it is 486 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 488, peaks horsepower 457. So we're rated at 470, front end's about 15, so everything's good. We'll get her on a crate. Come your way, have a great day.